Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to design Instagram stories using Snappa. To design Instagram stories in Snappa, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your Snappa account. Choose the Instagram story option, which is optimized to Instagram's recommended story dimension, which is 1080 pixels by 1920. Snappa has templates designed specifically for Instagram stories. Browse the Instagram story section to find one that fits your theme, or select a blank canvas for custom design. Click on the text area to edit or add your own text. Keep text minimal and impactful, as Instagram stories are often viewed quickly. Use eye-catching fonts and adjust the size and color to make the text stand out. You can change the font of the text by selecting it and clicking on this drop-down menu. After that, choose any font from here. You can change its color on this color picker option. You can also create a custom color from here. You can use the background tab here to upload a personal photo or browse Snappa library for stock images that match your theme. You can upload it by clicking on this upload tab, and by clicking on this button, you can select the image that you want from your device. You can also add graphics or icon from this tab here. Before finalizing, preview your design to ensure all elements look clear and are well polished, especially for mobile viewing. Once satisfied, click on download button to save your design as PNG or JPEG file. You can then transfer it to your mobile device and upload it to Instagram as a story. By following these steps, you can create professional and engaging Instagram stories on Snappa that are tailored to captivate your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.